is affected by the density of two minerals in your body, potassium and sodium. Sodium mainly exists in the water outside of your cells. Okay? It helps regulate water balance. So what sodium does is draws water into the bloodstream, increasing the volume of fluid outside of your cells. So when the density of sodium in my bloodstream is high, my body will pull water into my blood to reduce that density and create water balance. Potassium is found inside of the cells. It helps to regulate electrical activity inside of your cells, specifically with your nerves and your muscles. When potassium levels are high inside of the cells, water moves into the cells to maintain balance, support cellular hydration. So if my sodium is really high, what happens is my body will pull water into my bloodstream to balance that out. If my potassium is really high, my body will pull water from my bloodstream into my cells to hydrate them. This is exactly why drinking water by itself doesn't do anything. You also need to be drinking water with sodium so that when you consume the salt, that water gets pulled into your bloodstream and actually used to hydrate your body. But that doesn't do anything if you don't have potassium to pull it into the cell. So ideally, when you're drinking water, that's why they say you need to have your electrolytes, which are just sodium and potassium. What that does is it makes it so that when you drink it, it's not just going and being digested, it's actually being pulled in and used in my bloodstream and then eventually to hydrate the muscles. If you don't have a proper balance of electrolytes and water in your body, you're gonna perform like shit. You're gonna feel like shit. Your sleep is gonna suck. Your lifts are gonna be weak and you're gonna feel fatigued.